Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Ice Cast Epoxy is probably one of the most transformative materials you can introduce to your crafting or woodworking projects, offering unparalleled clarity and depth that can truly elevate your creations from ordinary to extraordinary, making it essential to understand its unique properties before diving into your next masterpiece. Number 5. Giani Marble Easy Epoxy Countertop Kit Carrara White. Imagine a stunning new kitchen in just one weekend. This kit makes it easy to update your countertops with a beautiful marble look. It features a simple 3-step process, perfect for any DIY enthusiast. Each kit includes all the tools you need and covers up to 35 square feet. You can apply it to formica, laminate, ceramic tile, and even traditional granite. It truly revitalizes various existing surfaces. Now with an extra durable, high-gloss epoxy resin topcoat, it protects against daily wear and tear. This new formula ensures a long-lasting, beautiful finish. It's safe for interior use with very low odor and zero VOC. Its specialized primer hides imperfections like stains and scratches, preparing your surface perfectly. The mineral colors create the elegant characteristics of marbled quartz. It's also stain and water resistant, as tough as engineered quartz. This second-generation kit helps you remake your kitchen into the space you've always dreamed of. Enjoy a beautiful, durable, and refreshed look. What we like. This kit is designed for a complete countertop makeover. Its simple 3-step application makes transformation easy for anyone. If you are looking for an affordable and quick way to refresh your kitchen, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Number 4. Upstart Epoxy 2-inch Deep Pour Resin Kit. This kit allows you to pour up to 2 inches thick, perfect for ambitious projects. Its low heat reaction during curing provides ample working time, ensuring you can create perfect swirls and intricate designs. Crafted in the USA, this epoxy resin features a thinner viscosity. This engineering ensures a practically bubble-less finish, significantly enhancing the depth and clarity of your finished art piece or countertop. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned professional, it's incredibly versatile. You can use it on wood, metal, stone, and even concrete, making it ideal for bar tops, resin art, or embedding objects. This self-leveling system makes mixing incredibly simple. You can easily tint it with various dyes and pigments, allowing for effortless color matching and creating multiple accents in your projects. Formulated with high-grade additives, it provides durable, long-lasting protection. It cures at room temperature to a 100% waterproof finish that resists yellowing, keeping your creations pristine. What we like. This resin excels in deep pour applications, allowing up to 2 inches in a single layer. Its unique formula ensures a practically bubble-less finish, enhancing clarity. If you are tackling large casting projects or intricate designs, this product offers superior depth and clarity. What people say. Number 3. Superclear Liquid Glass Deep Pour Epoxy Resin Kit. This remarkable resin allows for deep pours of 2 to 4 inches in a single lift. Create stunning river tables, live edgewood pieces, and large molds without the need for stacked pours or waiting between coats. Its low viscosity formula ensures a crystal clear, glass-like finish. It effectively releases trapped air during the curing process, resulting in a smooth, bubble-free surface with minimal effort. Engineered for functional surfaces, it cures to an incredibly hard and scratch-resistant finish. This makes it perfect for tabletops, bar tops, and display pieces that endure daily use. After a full cure, it is completely safe for contact with food. Its low odor, zero VOC formula also ensures a comfortable and safe environment for all your indoor pouring projects. This high-quality product is proudly formulated and manufactured in St. Petersburg, Florida, USA. It comes with over 60 years of resin manufacturing expertise backing every single batch. What we like. This option allows for exceptionally deep pours, up to 4 inches in one go, eliminating layers. It cures to a crystal clear, glass-like finish, perfect for showcasing embedded items. If you need maximum depth and a pristine, transparent result for your river tables, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 2. Superclear Liquid Glass Deep Pour Epoxy Resin. This resin allows for impressive 2 to 4 inch pours in a single lift. You can create stunning river tables and large molds without the hassle of stacked pours or waiting between coats. Its low viscosity formula ensures a smooth, bubble-free, glass-like finish. Trapped air is released during cure, meaning minimal torching is needed for a perfect result. This product cures to a remarkably hard, scratch-resistant finish. It's engineered for functional surfaces like tabletops and bar tops, built to withstand daily use. It is safe for food contact once fully cured. Plus, its low odor, zero VOC formula makes indoor projects comfortable for both you and your environment. This high-quality resin is proudly formulated and manufactured in the USA. It comes from a company with over 60 years of expertise in resin manufacturing, ensuring reliability. What we like. This kit offers impressive 2 to 4 inch deep pour capabilities, curing to a rock-hard, scratch-resistant surface. It also conveniently includes a pigment pack to jumpstart your creative projects. If you want a robust, functional surface and enjoy experimenting with colors right away, this is ideal. What people say. No positive product reviews found in the provided source. The source JSON for reviews was empty, so no points could be extracted. Number 1. Superclear Liquid Glass Deep Pour Epoxy Resin. This resin allows for impressive pours of 2 to 4 inches in a single lift. You can create stunning river tables, live edgewood pieces, and large molds without the need for stacked pours or waiting between coats. Its low viscosity formula ensures a crystal clear, glass-like finish. It effectively releases trapped air during cure, resulting in a smooth, bubble-free surface with minimal effort. Engineered for functional surfaces, it cures to a remarkably hard and scratch-resistant finish. This makes it ideal for tabletops, bar tops, and display pieces that endure daily use. After full cure, it is completely safe for contact with food. Its low odor, zero VOC formula ensures a comfortable and safe environment for indoor pouring projects. This product is proudly formulated and manufactured in the USA by Fiberglass Coatings, LLC. Every batch is backed by over 60 years of resin manufacturing expertise, ensuring quality and reliability. What we like. This version provides the same excellent 2 to 4 inch deep pour performance in a more manageable size. Its low viscosity formula ensures a smooth, bubble-free finish. If you have smaller projects or are just starting with deep pour resin, this compact kit is a great entry point. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source to extract points from. Therefore, no positive product features could be identified. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.